You see, your throttle body controls the amount of air that flows into your engine. It's a crucial component for maintaining a smooth, idle, and overall engine performance. When you press down on the gas pedal, it opens up to let more air in, and when you let go, it closes to reduce the airflow. This balance is essential for your engine's operation, but sometimes after a reset, the throttle body can get a little confused about its position, which can lead to that annoying rough idle. It's like it's forgotten how to do its job properly. So how do you fix it? The good news is that it's often a straightforward process that you can do yourself. Well, it varies depending on your car model, so it's always best to consult your owner's manual for the specific procedure. Each car might have a slightly different method, but in many cases, it's as simple as turning your car to the on position without starting the engine, waiting a few seconds, allowing the system to reset, then turning it off again. This simple action can help the throttle body recalibrate itself. Repeat this a few times, and you might just feel the difference. Your car could start idling smoothly again, just like it used to. This process allows the throttle body to recalibrate itself, ensuring it knows exactly how to manage the airflow. Sort of like stretching before a workout, it prepares the throttle body to function correctly. By going through its full range of motion, it can relearn its position and hopefully smooth out that idle. This can make a big difference in your driving experience. Now, if this doesn't do the trick, there might be a more serious issue with your throttle body, such as a mechanical fault or a need for a more in-depth calibration, and it's best to have a mechanic take a look. They can diagnose and fix any underlying problems that a simple reset can't solve. But hey, it's always worth a try to reset it yourself first. It's a quick and easy step that could save you time and money. After all, you never know, you might just save yourself a trip to the mechanic and a hefty repair bill. Plus, you'll gain a bit more confidence in handling minor car issues on your own. Alright folks, this next one might surprise you.